ni yule anajua kazi.
Nyakoro mgajwang Komiti marod bura mamalo pod dhi nyime mabende pod dhi nyime kod nonro ewi mbolea mabandia. Koro dwaro mondo jatend migao mar pur Mithika Linturi ogwe tao ewi mibadhi makwako mbolea mabandia. Kane giloso gi jofwambo e kinde mane gilemo boma ma Homa Bay kotelegi kod jaod bura manyando Jared Okelo. Jod bura go wacho ni jopur mathoth e aluora ma kaunti no noyudo mbolea mabandia ka gikoso ng'eyo ng'ama ne ochiwonegi lipot makamano. E kaunti ma Homa Bay, mana japur achiel kende ema nogoyo lipot mar nyiewo mbolea mabandia. Komiti nosingo ni gibiro nono wachno maber kendo chiwo duoko makare.
The GPC, and the GPC is part of the fertilizer under question, so they have been put aside not to be sold to the public. We have also noted actually that a farmer came here and registered his complaint on the same. As in line with the policy directive now, that farmer ought to have been compensated his 6 bags because that is the policy. But we ask ourselves, why compensate? That is like admission of culpability by the government.
When we had a meeting as a Committee of Agriculture, when we called upon the CS of Agriculture, Linturi, to come to tell us what he understands with the issue of the fake fertilizer, it came to our notice that he surprised us that he doesn't even have any information. In fact, he left us even with no reason, like there was no substance when he came before us. And that is why now we took an action to walk all around to find out, to get our findings out. And we want to tell the Kenyans, more so to the farmers, that we are going to call, even before he goes for the impeachment, he must also again appear before the committee and tell us, because when we left him, when he came to the meeting last time, he told us that he didn't have the information.
The Additional Allocations Act states that Homa Bay is supposed to receive fertilizer worth 165 million. By our calculation, the fertilizer that has been received in Homa Bay does not reach 30 million, which means that 130 million worth of fertilizer has not been brought to Homa Bay. And this has been my appeal to the committee, that there has to be fairness and equity.
Kopogore gi bane ni jaod bura mabumula Jack Wamboka wacho ni